You are not a bad writer because your English isn't perfect. You're not a bad writer if you make English grammar mistakes. But you're a bad writer if you do any of these things I'm about to mention. Hi, I'm Esther, and today let's talk about signs that you're a bad writer. And no, this is not to shame you, it is to help you grow. Number one, publishing other people's work without acknowledging them. If you publish another person's work, word for word, idea for idea, without acknowledging them or without recognizing them, that's not inspiration. That is plagiarism. Good writers respect intellectual properties. Number two, using AI to generate your entire book idea or write up. AI is a tool and not a replacement for your voice. So if AI is doing all the thinking, all the structuring, and all the writing, then that is not writing. You are simply outsourcing your creativity. And of course, your readers can tell. That makes you a bad writer. Point three, regurgitating and calling it original. This means you see a video or read a post or a book, and then you take up that content, edit it, change a few lines, change a few wordings, and publish it as your own. Now, what does that make you? That, my dear, is not originality. That is not creativity. Good writers digest information, filter through it, and then create something new out of it. If you were once a bad writer, it doesn't mean you will always be. It just means you are still learning. Now tell me in the comments, which of these have you struggled with? If this video helped you reflect, like it, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.
Please like, share, and subscribe.